Do you ever feel stuck when listening to English? Like the words fly past you and you catch nothing? What if I told you there are simple secrets that can make English listening easy, even fun? Welcome to Achieve English Podcast channel. In today's episode, you'll discover 6 powerful tips to help you listen to English more clearly and confidently than ever before. Whether you're a beginner or just struggling to understand fast English speakers, these practical ideas will change your listening skills for good. Get ready to feel motivated, relaxed, and excited about your English journey. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to easier English listening right now. Listening to English can sometimes feel like trying to catch raindrops with your hands. You want to understand, but the words just slip away. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners face this challenge. The good news is, listening is a skill you can improve step by step, and it starts with small, easy habits that anyone can try. First, create a daily habit of listening. You don't need to spend hours. Just 10 minutes a day makes a big difference. Listen to English materials that you enjoy. It could be a short podcast, a favorite song, or even a children's story. When you like what you hear, your brain wants to understand more. It becomes fun, not a chore. Next, focus on understanding the main ideas, not every word. Sometimes we try too hard to catch every single word, and that makes us stressed. Instead, listen for the important points, the general meaning. When you get used to this, your brain will fill in the gaps naturally. Another secret is to practice active listening. This means you don't just hear the sounds, but really pay attention. Try to guess the meaning from the voice tone, emotions, or the situation. Imagine you're watching a movie and try to feel what the characters feel. This helps you connect sounds with feelings, making listening easier. Also, use subtitles or transcripts. At first, listen with English subtitles if possible. This helps you link the spoken sounds with the written words. After you feel more confident, try listening without subtitles. This builds your listening muscle bit by bit. Remember, it's okay to listen to the same audio several times. Repetition helps you catch words you missed before. Each time, your brain understands more. Don't rush. Enjoy the process. Lastly, try to speak what you hear. Repeat short sentences or phrases aloud. This improves your listening because your mouth practices the sounds your ears hear. It's a simple but powerful way to connect listening and speaking. With these simple steps, daily practice, focusing on meaning, active listening, using subtitles, repeating, and speaking, you're already on the path to easier English listening. It's not magic, just smart habits. Listening to English well is not just about your ears. It's also about your mindset. Many learners feel nervous or tired when they listen, especially if the speaker talks fast or uses unfamiliar words. But here's a secret. Your brain is like a muscle, and the more relaxed and confident you are, the better it works. One simple way to build confidence is to start with easy listening materials. Choose topics you know well or enjoy. For example, if you love cooking, listen to short cooking videos or podcasts in English. When you already know the topic, it's easier to guess the meaning even if you don't understand every word. This reduces stress and makes listening feel more natural. Another tip is to slow down the audio when you need to. Many apps or websites let you listen at a slower speed. Don't worry about sounding like a beginner. Everyone does this. Slowing down helps you catch tricky sounds and words. Over time, as your ears get used to the sounds, you can speed back up. This step-by-step approach is like training wheels on a bike. It helps you learn safely and comfortably. Try also to focus on chunks or groups of words, not individual words alone. English speakers often say words quickly and join them together.
For example, what are you doing sounds like what you doing. When you listen for these chunks, your brain understands faster. You can practice this by listening to natural English conversations or dialogues. Don't worry if it sounds strange at first. With practice, it becomes easier. Another helpful idea is to use shadowing. This means you listen to a short sentence, then repeat it immediately, trying to copy the rhythm, pronunciation, and tone of the speaker. Shadowing helps your brain and mouth work together. It also improves your listening because you focus closely on the sounds. You can do this with podcasts, YouTube videos, or any English audio. Don't forget to take notes while listening. Write down new words or phrases you hear. Later, check their meaning and practice them. This makes your listening active and productive. It also helps you remember vocabulary better because you use both your ears and your eyes. One more tip, connect your listening practice to your daily life. Listen to English while doing small tasks, walking, cooking, or even resting. This builds your listening habit without extra time. It's like giving your brain small workouts every day, which add up to big improvement. To summarize this part, relax and be confident, start easy, slow down when needed, listen for word chunks, try shadowing, take notes, and make listening part of your daily routine. These simple changes make a big difference.
Now, let's talk about motivation and consistency, the real keys to mastering English listening. Learning any language is a journey, not a race. Sometimes you'll feel great progress. Other times you might feel stuck. That's completely normal. The important thing is to keep going, even if it's just a little every day. Set small, clear goals for your listening practice. For example, today your goal could be to understand one short podcast episode or watch a 5-minute video in English. Tomorrow, maybe try listening without subtitles for 1 minute longer. When you achieve these small goals, celebrate them. These little wins build your confidence and push you forward. Use technology to your advantage. There are many free apps, websites, and YouTube channels designed to help learners practice English listening. Find one that fits your level and interests. You can also join online groups or forums where learners share tips and support each other. Learning with friends, even virtual ones, keeps you motivated and accountable. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or misunderstand words. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. When you listen and don't understand, try to guess the meaning from context instead of stopping. This trains your brain to think like a native speaker. Also, remember to mix different types of listening materials. Don't only stick to podcasts or lessons. Try songs, movies, news, or even radio shows. This variety helps you hear different accents, speeds, and styles. The more you expose yourself to real English, the easier it becomes. Another secret is to balance listening with speaking. Practice repeating what you hear, answering questions aloud, or summarizing the story in your own words. This active use of language strengthens your listening skills because your brain learns to connect sounds with meaning and expression. Finally, be patient and kind to yourself. Learning English listening is like planting a tree. It takes time to grow strong roots and branches. Keep watering it every day, and soon you'll enjoy the shade of your hard work. So, to wrap up everything we've talked about today, build a daily habit, focus on main ideas, listen actively, use subtitles wisely, repeat often, speak what you hear, relax, choose easy topics first, slow down the audio, listen for chunks, try shadowing, take notes, connect listening to your daily life, set small goals, use tech tools, embrace mistakes, mix materials, balance listening and speaking, and be patient. You're already on the path to easier, more confident English listening. Keep practicing and you'll see amazing progress very soon. Thanks so much for listening today on Achieve English Podcast channel. Remember, practice makes progress.
Like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more easy English learning ideas. Leave a comment below and share your favorite tip or your own listening challenge. And most importantly, practice what you've just learned. Keep going, keep growing, and see you next time.